So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gents. Joseph James here back once again. I thank you all for sticking around with me today. Boy, the day slowed down pretty quick here after 10:30 this morning. It's 11:45 now, Eastern Time. Happy Thursday to you guys, January 12th. We are right coming into what we thought was going to be the meat and potatoes, right, of the week. If you recall this morning, go back to our blog, bring up your morning prep, right? On the morning prep this morning, again, sideways markets, you guys had the morning prep this morning. What is the first thing we said this morning? The first thing we talked about today was the news. And one of the things we said was, remember this? This should be familiar. We talked about how we were expecting to have another reading below 400,000 for jobless claims. Began our day Thursday mornings. We know we've got jobless claims at 8:30. And as I said before this morning, even I was kind of surprised. We continue to see these jobless claims dropping. 8:30 comes around. What do we get? Jobless claims came out at 399, right? Now, I use a service called Trade the News. And, of course, jobless claims, scroll down here. Jobless claims here at 8:30. Initial jobless claims come out 399. Now, we kind of chuckled at this because we said, are you kidding me here? It sounds like someone's in there stirring up the Kool-Aid, right, behind the scenes, because 400,000 is the psychological level. Basically, the White House, right, the Fed, they know if we can keep jobless claims below 400,000 in the U.S., they can keep asking for bailout money. So it's almost like a car dealership making that sticker price $39,999, right? Just to make sure you don't think it's 40,000. So we got jobless claims come out just below 400,000, but we looked at it and said, oh, you know the smart money in the market right now is drooling over this right now because clearly they're cooking the books. Well, maybe they're not. Let's not be too sinister, but they might be. All right, a little bit too close for comfort. There's probably a couple % variation there, so it could have easily been 400,000. So we have to assume the big money in the market thinks jobless claims are 400,000. What does that mean? Well, when jobless claims come out 400,000, that tells me what? More people are out of work. Well, when more people are out of work, what happens to the U.S. economy? The U.S. economy usually slows down. What happens when the U.S. economy slows down? We can't afford to fill up our minivans. Okay, so soccer moms are carpooling now. More importantly, though, major corporations are no longer planning expansions. We're not getting those semi-trucks refilling their diesel fuel. Okay, so when the economy slows, what else slows down? Demand. So we know that when the economy slows down in the U.S., because we are consumers, I know, right? When the economy slows down, so does demand.